This mango parfait is a masterpiece.
Agreed. Nothing beats dessert with a view like this.
Uh-oh, that cart's going way too fast. The trio springs into action, each playing their part in the rescue.
I'll try to slow it down from above.
I'll stabilize it from the side.
The rooftop buzzes with activity as the trio faces a critical moment.
Hold on tight! We've got this! Whew, that was close. Teamwork really does save the day. Looks like we've got an audience. Next time, let us stick to eating desserts, not saving them.
Thanks for joining us.
See you next Tomb.